This is the dog park.
Here we are at the dog park, or as I'm sure they like to think of it, dog jail. This is going to try to demonstrate that they'd rather be walked than actually do their own thing and have free range. They'll be excited for like 5 minutes and then they'll just want out desperately.
Can't see anything.
May. So May's already at the exit door there. Come on, May, Mo. Gotta pee, of course. That's just kind of par for the course. There's some other dogs here, so we'll see what that turns into. Peeing in the same spot. Mo's usually a little more independent. He's already searching the perimeter there. You'll notice they keep running back to us. No matter how far they go out, they'll come right back because they don't like being too far apart from us. I think they think it's wrong or something.
Oh.
And that's also par for the course. Hi, May.